once the beast run is completed, you need to check that the sampling has worked effectively. So what you will have is a log file, which is the one here, and you'll also have a file which contains the trees, and you'll have an XML state file, which is just used by the program to continue the run should you not have sampled enough. So to do that, you need to use the program tracer, which you get from the beast site, not from the beast 2 site. So here's tracer 1.7.2. So file, import trace file. This PC is on file system D, downloads, informatics sessions, and it's the log file that I've got here. That's not good. So if I look here, anything that's in red on the ESS is a problem. So the posterior is in red, the prior is in red, the rates of AC, AG, AT, CG, GT and CT are also all in red. So they're mostly concentrated around 0, and you haven't got a nice shape. Now for this run I decided to specify the frequency of each of the amino acids, each of the nucleotides, by taking it from the real data. So instead of allowing the calculation to work it out for itself, I specified those. So it looks like that was a mistake, because if I look at a trace file that I'd done before where I didn't specify that, I got these nice results. So here are the rates for each of the different ones, and I got very good sampling. So it looks to me that my mistake was in using that prior to come from the experimental results. So I'm going to have to do the run again, but it's illustrative of the kind of problems you have when using these Bayesian methods. So I'm going to need to go back and do the whole process again. So I'm going to need to stop off tracer, go back into beast, go into Beauti, file, so load the file that I did the run based on. Then I'm going to need to edit it and rerun it. So when I go to the tip dates, they're fine. If I go to the site model, the problem was I clicked on empirical frequencies instead of doing estimated. And that seems to have limited the sampling of this particular model. I've got 4 gamma categories, which seems right, and 1 proportion invariance that. Clock model strict, and the priors is coalescent constant population. That's all fine, and I'm happy with all the rest of that. So file, save, and then exit this thing. Do you want to save the B specification? Yes, that's the name of it. Do I want to replace it? Yes. Now I'm going to need to go here and delete that log file, delete the state file, and delete the tree files. Then I can go into beast, hit on beast to execute, choose the file, which is in downloads, bioinformatics sessions, this one, open, and I'm going to run it on 2 threads this time to make it a bit faster, so that I don't have to wait so long to do the next step in the video. And as this computer has many different processors, it doesn't matter. So again, it's taking about 18 minutes per million samples, but this will go down as time goes on.